The finish that we're going to use is a little bit, not toxic, but it smells bad. Cyanoacrylate, and we're going to be using the accelerator too. So that is why if you look over here, we have the door open in the shop. You don't normally see my ugly backyard, which hasn't been mowed in time for this shoot. But anyway, the idea is to get fresh air in here. So this is going to happen fairly quickly. We're going to take this, open it up, like I said, fairly quickly, right? This is medium cyanoacrylate. I like to do the thin, but I'm doing what the Bengal guy did, and he's doing the thick. So I'm just going to take and put a few drops on here, and this is real quick. You want to push with enough pressure to get on there, and you're off. Now what you're going to do is take this, squirty squirty, and let it go. If you put it on too thick, you'll get bubbles because it accelerates. But that's dry already. I'm going to another piece of paper towel. Just going to do it one more time, boom, boom, like that. And go back, squirty squirty. We're going to do 2 more times. You don't want to do a whole lot of layers of cyanoacrylate because it can weaken the glue bond. At least that's what I was told. So there we go, like that. If you do this really well, you don't have to do anything to the finish, but if you do get a little bit of ripple in there, you can lightly sand the finish to get a really nice polish on there. So anyway, we're going to, oh, that, okay. We'll just let that set for a minute, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now I did need to sand mine a little bit, and since this doesn't have plastic in it, it probably doesn't have to go up to 12,000 grit, so I stopped at 4,000. But anyway, you want to take some plastic polish at this point, and any one you want to use is fine. This is, what, Hutz Ultra Gloss? So I'm just going to put a little bit on here, not much at all, and you got to be careful about splatter because this is spinning, so I just want to delicately apply it there. So now it's on there. But anyway, the whole idea here is we're going to buff it, so we're going to pick the speed up. And since that's a cyanoacrylate finish, right? Well, it's like plastic. So when you buff it, look at the shine hitting that now. And so you can actually see some of the dark color that's coming off the stainless steel. Come over here one more time like so. But anyway, this is how you do this. This is pretty cool, huh? I'm gonna stop that. Let me get my chuck key here to take this off. Open, close. Now, if you happen to wind up with, nope, that's the wrong way, some marks in here, all you have to do is take like a Dremel with a little steel brush and brush it on the inside, and that'll mess it up. But actually, I noticed my chuck jaws aren't leaving any marks. Aren't those beautiful? Now, that is how you make a really nice bracelet.